Hey, it's Katie with WTI. Whether you are road tripping or tent camping, having a portable stove is a total game changer. I love my portable stove from JoChef. It was so easy to whip this baby out in the morning and heat up a pot of water and have nice, fresh, hot coffee in under 10 minutes when we were camping. My husband was still getting the fire going and I was enjoying my hot cup of coffee. It also came in really handy when we were cooking up breakfast. Nice, hot, fresh, scrambled eggs in no time at all. I love the stove because it is really lightweight, it's easy to carry around, and with the storage case, I can fit it in my car and not have to worry about any damage coming to it. And it came with 7 cans of butane. The stove is really easy to use, even for a beginner like me. JoChef is so thoughtful. They even include a windscreen that easily folds down. I know the stove is going to get a lot of use from my family. We love to camp, we love to travel. So if you like roughing it, but maybe you want to make things not quite so rough, then definitely look into this JoChef Camp Stove. And that is my point of view.